Is the aggressive portfolio in Acorns truly the best way to maximize your growth, or is there a smarter, more balanced approach you should be taking? That's the question I asked myself when I started with Acorns. Like many new investors, I saw aggressive and thought, that's me. Max returns. And while it's true that the aggressive portfolio is designed for the highest potential growth, especially over the long term, it's critical to understand what you're actually signing up for. This isn't just about clicking a button, it's about setting an investment strategy that matches your timeline and risk tolerance. Chart Increasing the Aggressive Portfolio explained. The fundamental principle of maximizing growth on Acorns, or any similar platform, is to maximize your exposure to stocks and minimize bonds. The aggressive setting, the standard Acorns aggressive portfolio is generally composed of 100% stock-based ETFs, exchange-traded funds, and 0% bonds. It includes a diversified mix of U.S. large company stocks, U.S. small company stocks, and international company stocks. Why it maximizes growth? Historically, stocks offer the highest long-term returns compared to bonds, cash, or other assets. By being 100% in stocks, you are fully leveraging the stock market's growth potential. The caveat, with higher potential returns comes higher volatility and risk. You need to be comfortable watching your balance dip significantly during market downturns, knowing that you have a long time horizon, 10+ years, to recover. If you're near retirement or need the money soon, this setting is too risky. Moneybag my first-person growth strategy. Setting the portfolio to aggressive is step one, but the real key to maximizing growth comes down to two things I've learned through my own use: consistency and boosting. 1. Maximize your contributions, the real growth engine. Acorns is fundamentally a dollar-cost averaging tool, meaning you invest consistent amounts regardless of market price, which is proven to be a great long-term strategy. To maximize growth, you need to maximize your deposits. Recurring investments, this is your primary growth lever. I set up a weekly recurring transfer, even small amounts add up fast. The key is finding an amount you won't miss and sticking to it religiously. Roundups, this is Acorns' signature feature, but don't just use the standard roundup. Use the roundup multiplier. If you can afford it, set it to 2x, 3x, or even 10x. Turning a 50-cent roundup into $5 dramatically increases your investment volume without feeling like a huge lump sum withdrawal. Acorns Earn. Use the Acorns Earn feature, where partner companies give you a percentage of your purchase back as an investment into your account. Treat this as free money for your portfolio. 2. Leveraging Acorns later. Tax efficiency. For true wealth building, tax-advantaged accounts are essential. If your goal is long-term growth for retirement, you must utilize the Acorns Later feature. IRA type. I chose the Roth IRA option, as I prefer to pay taxes now and have my investments grow and be withdrawn tax-free in retirement. If you expect to be in a lower tax bracket in retirement, a traditional IRA might be better, but the Roth tax-free growth is a massive long-term advantage. Portfolio setting. I keep my later account set to aggressive as well, given the long time horizon until retirement. White heavy checkmark summary of optimal growth settings. To maximize growth, here is the straight-to-the-point list of the settings I use. Portfolio setting, invest and later aggressive. Recurring investment, set to weekly. I found this is better than monthly for consistent compounding. Roundup multiplier, set as high as you can reasonably afford. I currently use 3x. Reinvest dividends, this is automatic, but ensure it stays on. You want every penny compounding. Sticking to the aggressive setting and consistently increasing your contributions are the best ways to maximize your growth within Acorns. The settings get you in the game, but the consistency of your deposits determines your final score. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.